In this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Discord for doxing. So what you need to do is come to the message where they've doxed your information, and you want to tap and hold it if you're on mobile, and press on the three dots if you're on PC, and then you want to scroll to the bottom and press the report button, and in the report section it'll ask you why you're reporting it. You want to select exposing private identifying information. So from here it'll ask you what information was posted without consent, so you would just choose whatever they doxed. So for example, email address and physical home or work address, and then press next, and then that'll give you your report summary. So it'll show you the selected message along with your report category, and then you simply press submit report at the bottom. So that's how you do it.